Hi everyone! Today I will share with you my creation for the potato croquette with a Vietnamese twist. I love how they are so golden brown and crunchy on the outside and really soft and creamy on the inside. And look at the quail egg oozing out in the center. Who can resist that? Let me show you how to make it.
Helen's Recipes.
To soft boil the quail eggs, which are really small, you bring a saucepan of water to a rolling boil and then gently drop in the quail eggs and cook for exactly 2 minutes 15 seconds, and then immediately fish them out and soak in a bowl of ice cold water, then peel them. For potatoes, you can use rosettes or red potatoes. I love US potatoes for their creamy textures. Just peel and cut into 6 or 8. If you can't do the magic like I do, just do it the traditional way, okay? Boil them with a little bit of salt for about 15 minutes or until they are soft. And then mash well with a mashing tool. Next, soak the dry mushrooms in warm water to soften. I use dry shiitake mushrooms and dry woody mushrooms here. Then rinse well and finely mince them. Heat a pan on medium and add some oil. Then saute some minced garlic until fragrant, and then add the minced mushrooms and minced pork. Stir fry until it's cooked through. In a large mixing bowl, combine the potatoes with the stir-fried pork and mushrooms. Season with some salt and pepper, some chopped green onions, and all-purpose flour. Mix well, and you can add 2 to 3 more tablespoons of water so it can form into a dough, and then divide into your preferred portions. Prepare 3 bowls in an assembly line. The first one is breadcrumbs, the second one is an egg beaten with some water, and the third bowl is some normal plain all-purpose flour. Take 1 portion of the mashed potatoes, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and shape into a disc, and then roll 1 quail egg over the flour so it will adhere better to the potatoes. Place it in the center of the disc, pinch the edges together and shape into a round, nice ball. Then roll it over the all-purpose flour bowl first, and then drop into the egg, and then finally roll over the breadcrumbs. Remember, it's always better to use more oil when you deep fry, because if you use too little oil, the bowl will be even more greasy. So the more oil you use, the better actually. Drop the balls into some oil that is preheated at 185 degrees Celsius and then fry until it's nicely golden. Oh my god, look at them, so pretty! To make it less greasy, I prepare a side salad or a salsa, whatever you call it. I have here some tomatoes, cucumber, and chilies, shallots, cilantro. Dice them, or if you have the magic like I do, just pour to them. Combine everything in a bowl and toss well with some salt and pepper. Squeeze in some lime juice or kumquat juice, a dash of olive oil, and some tomato sauce or chili sauce if you like. And then you have a well-balanced snack. The potato is so creamy and that pale eggs. It's just so beautiful. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Share with me a photo on Instagram with the hashtag Helen Recipes. If you enjoyed the video, click that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing Asian recipes, especially Vietnamese recipes. I will see you then next time. Bye bye.